I purchased my CFMOTO from Facebook Market. The owner previously did lay it down, so here's the before photo that you guys can see, and stay tuned throughout the video because I will show the after so you guys can see the results. Absolute first mod to get is the exhaust. Yes, get rid of that 15-pound boat that's sitting on the side of your bike. Slip-ons like KO, Leo Vins are really good options. I went with the KO. It is a slip-on, so therefore the installation is not that hard. I know I'm not the only one that absolutely hates the stock mirrors on a bike. Although they are convenient and you can see out of them, these ones look way more aesthetically pleasing. The good thing about these ones is you still can see out of them, as opposed to the Kawasaki's and Yamaha. They have barely any rear view sight, so that's what I like about these ones. The next thing would be the spoilers or the wing fairings on the front of the bike to help with aerodynamics. Mine actually have an additional hole like on the midsection of the fairing as opposed to the originals, and they are also a different color. I decided to get rid of all the red and do black, bronze, and white accents as well. That big ass wing on the back has to go. I did get a tail tidy kit, but when I first installed it, the blinkers were flashing too fast, so I did end up buying a second little relay piece to allow those blinkers to properly work. The last mod so far would be the tank grips. These are super beneficial because when you're cutting corners, it allows your body to hold on to the tank a lot easier. These are the final results. As I said before, I just wanted to do a black, bronze, and white theme. No shame on anybody that likes red, but it is not my favorite, so I decided to delete all of that. That's all the mods that I have so far. Stay tuned because I'll definitely be doing more mods in the future. If you want any of these items, the link is in the description below.